How you doing, traders? Welcome back to Boom and Crash Grow channel, Boom Crash GFX channel. Been a minute on this channel. Sorry guys, we are back into it, back to back. So now it's our time to continue our learn and earn series, which is going to take us to our places in our trading game. So on this very video, what basically we are going to be doing is that we are going to be going into the market. We are going to be analyzing the market live. We are going to see the aftermath of that analysis, and in this video you will actually learn how to analyze every boom and crash indices. You will learn what actually spotted in the market that brought about all the analysis you see that are plot and the aftermath of that. As you can see my analysis, you can see the way they are actually plotted, and you can see the aftermath of this analysis boom and crash indices back to back, day in day out, with no stress. So as we go in this learn and earn series, you will be able to know how to analyze the market and be able to trade confidently yourself and make a whole lot of profit in the market. I must appreciate the subscribers to the channel. You guys are the best and you will ever remain the best. And if you're new to the channel, don't hesitate to click that red button, turn on the post notification bell for you not to miss out on a video regarding trade tips, trade tricks, trading analysis that will be shared on this channel. Without further ado, let's go to the business of the day. So we are on 1000 chat right now. So we are going to be analyzing this market, and we are going to be looking at what price action is going to be playing out on this market. Don't forget, the main motive of this video is learn and earn, for you to learn how you can actually analyze the market and the factors that you need to point out of the market that will support your analysis for you to achieve your goal, which is profit making in the market. So for those that have been following me up on this channel, you know I analyze. First thing first, what I do is that I firstly go on daily time frame to actually look at the general overview of the market in place. So presently, as we are on boom 1000 and looking at the recent candlestick action in the market, you can see that the market actually have been on series of uptrend. We can see that the market have actually been on uptrend for so long, creating the higher highs in the market, the higher lows, the higher highs, the higher lows, and the higher highs. We can actually say that presently the market is about to form what we call the higher low, but we can't just justify it by this factor alone. We have to take into some other consideration for us to know what we are going to do in this very market. So what we are going to do next is that we are going to go on a lower time frame. So we are going to go on 4 hours time frame. Go on 4 hours time frame. Let me show you once. As you can see, you know, the formation of the former candlesticks, the bullish candlestick, you can see that the buyers are actually, you know, getting to lose their momentum in the market with the formation of the candlestick. You can see them, they are no longer in bullish form, they are getting smaller. So this showed the losing of momentum of the buyers in the market. So now let's go to the 4 hours time frame. On 4 hours time frame, so on 4 hours time frame, you get to see, you know, bigger picture of the price actions in the market. So as we have it on 4 hours time frame, there are some other factors we have to put into consideration. With the formation of the uptrend market in place, we can also note that the market has been moving in a channel for so long. It has been moving in a channel for so long. So connecting the higher highs and connecting the higher lows in the market. No, I don't want it this way. So connecting the higher highs and connecting the higher lows, you get to pinpoint the channel in which the market has been, you know, moving for so long. Ensure you connect all the possible highs you can actually spot in the market and all the possible lows you can actually spot in the market. Let me take this away. You have this eyes, you have this eye here, We have this high, we have this low, we have this low here, and we have this low here. So now looking at this price channel, price has been moving, sequentially in this channel. As you can see, this price has been respecting this channel, and getting to this point, there's kind of a major reaction at this very point before we have something called before we have a kind of another push up upward here. We still need some other factors to actually look into before we can actually say that okay, the market is actually ready to push down and start selling or selling big. So which other factors we need to actually take note here? We have to look in for the supply and demand zone of the market. So looking at the previous reaction of the market, let's point out some certain major zones in the market that we can okay, the price has gotten to this zone, is actually going to respect this zone and add up to our factors for us to sell up this market. So looking at this very point, looking at the previous action of the market, we see a basic formation in place. You can see a basic formation of the previous action, what we can term the double top, or what we can term the M formation that have actually been in place here. This is a solid place or a solid zone generally to look in for our supply zone or your resistance zone generally. So let's mark out some certain zones out here. Marking this point, and marking this point. So we are looking into these three zones and this zone. So connecting it now. I don't want this video to be long, that's why I'm rushing. I don't want it to be long. That's the first zone. Okay, this is the second zone, and this another zone. Now looking at it, you can see that the price actually went into the zone, this particular zone. When price got there, the price actually pushed it down and coming back into this channel. Now fine and good, we find our price back into the channel. No matter what can happen in this market now is that getting our third zone. The price is actually presently in the third zone right now. What can happen here is that price can actually push up a little bit for a test, then push up a little bit, then fall back to this very level, which is a good move we can actually take, which is actually a good move we can actually benefit from. This is actually over 120 plus pips, which is actually a good move. So we have all factors in place that actually can tell us that okay, this market can actually sell down to this very zone, very zone. That's if we want to take our entry now at this very point down to this zone. But if we are to wait for a retest, which we are going to take our entry at this very point, then SL above that trend line. So any which way we are seeing the market Settle down to this very zone. So I believe you have learned one or two things, and don't mind me, I'm rushing it due to the length of the video. I don't want it to be long, and I believe you've grabbed one of or two things in this learn and end series. And stay tuned for more of these, where we can actually look into the market and look at certain factors that the market do very well respect day in day out. Talking out of experience.
A few moments later.
So after all the analysis here we have, guys, so this is not magic. This is not magic. This is not magic. Apparently this is 4 hours candles. 4 hours candles. Look at it, guys. Look at it, guys. Same analysis, no same factors, no same elements put together. Same elements put together. Analysis are shipped 100%. Both entry, they are all intact. They are all intact. They are all intact, and we killed it. This analysis as well was shared with the valuables, and we actually made it. We killed it, and I believe you actually have learned, crucial factors, crucial analysis in analyzing the market. See, these are daily candles, and these are 4 hours candles. These are 4 hours candles. See, then a big fall in the market. It actually followed analysis. It actually followed the analysis, and the market was skewed. The market was skewed. No joke. No joke. So that's it, guys. Sweet profit. Sweet profit. Sweet profit. Sweet profit. Yo, guys, as you can see, we analyze the market carefully and we trade accordingly. As you can see, the aftermath of this very market, we could it back to back. And if you wish to join our team, join Boom Crush G Valuables, you can actually hit me up on WhatsApp or Telegram on the link in the description. You can actually contact me and get the subscription plans, and I bet you are going to be making that profit, consistent profit, day in, day out. Once again, it must appreciate the subscribers to the channel. You are the best, and you will ever remain the best. And if you are new to the channel, don't hesitate to click that button, turn on post notification bell for you not to miss out on every video regarding trade tips, trade tricks, trading analysis that will be shared with us on this channel. And if you gain value and you are learning a new thing, one or two things in the market today, that you see that yes, you can actually confidently analyze the market and eat up the market and make that profit. Do it to like the video. You can share with your friends for them as well to know that you can actually learn and earn in the market. This is learn and earn series. Next time I come away, it's bye for now. Bye.
If you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble,